Guys, I paid for an inside cabin. I got a balcony. Ah! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so now this is the bathroom. And I don't know how to turn on the lights. Maybe because they still cleaning up. They finished with this room, but still. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is my sink. Okay, the shower is kind of narrow, but it's doable. It is doable. It is doable. Solo travel, yes. So this is, ooh, wish I knew how to turn the lights on up in here. But yes, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers on this side. So I'm gonna close the bathroom door. I need to lock this door to make sure nobody trying to come in on your girl. So now, oh, and they give us a lot of hangers. Yes, a lot of hangers. Appreciate this. Appreciate this a lot. Oh boy. So this is the bed. Now I just threw those papers there, so it's not them. This is the bed. This is what they give. Looks like a king size bed. Yes. And then this is the couch. Oh my gosh, this is the first time I get a balcony. I always get either a window or I get a inside, no window, because I'm not the type that stays in my room. But it's so nice. It's so nice to be. Okay, they locked the minibar. I don't know what that's about, but anyway, so we got the flat screen TV. We got the mirror. We got a mirror in front of the bed. So we have some outlets that I'm seeing right there. Do we have any outlets by the bed here? I see the lamp. Okay, on that side. Oh wow, okay. Sometimes, yeah, I don't see anything by the lamp. We'll be all right. We're gonna make it do what it do. Okay, so now let's step outside for uno momento. And what do I see? I see advertisers. The room is nicely air conditioned. I wonder why the floor is wet. Right, that's the police and the Coast Guard. Let's look at Miami from a different perspective, guys. Let's look at Miami. Give you guys a closer view of some of the things that's in the distance so that you can see better. Oh boy, I am so happy. I am so excited. I need to eat because them biscuit cookies that they serve was not really holding me. And if I don't eat soon, I might eat somebody. So here we go. I hope I'm not going too fast. But yeah, this is it, baby. This is it. I am so stoked. Nobody can tell me nothing. I'm already, before I even got on the boat, I was just so freaking happy. Ready to party. But I gotta be careful, not too wild, because you know people be tripping. But yeah guys, I'm elated. I'm so elated. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy the view. Let me go step inside and keep I don't really see any mosquitoes or flies, but just in case, keep them away. Maybe be a little wet. I'm going to leave them to